So one of the very common complication of treatment would be failed treatment, in which there are failed cycles. We try with our level best with the artificial reproductive technology, but a couple is still unable to conceive through the infertility treatment, and it does not end with the pregnancy. And one of the other complication can be higher chances of multiple pregnancies, which leads to twins, triplets, or even more. ART results in multiple pregnancies, and then it in turn results in complication of multiple pregnancies. If there are multiple fetuses for a treatment, then there can be chances of miscarriage in the pregnancy, or premature birth, or low birth weight, or even long-term health complications are more common in people that get pregnant with multiple fetuses.